Here we have the Snugpak. It is the tactical softie smock wgte. This one's in black. It comes in olive green, and you also can get a camo version as well. So let's open it up, shall we? You see it's nicely sealed. Do flip it over, you've got these bits here. After it's been sealed, there you go. Comes open quite easy. Feels really nice and soft as well, so it's quite pretty cool. As you see, you've got nice big pockets as well. Nice pockets. There you go, sorry about the flicking, I'll just sort that out for you. Yeah, he's got a nice zip. Quite a big pocket, that's pretty cool. If you'd like this, check out the link below. This one we have here is the large version, which here it is here. Yeah, it's got, as you see, it's got the large smock. These are the sizes of it, if you can see that. But yeah, it feels quite really good quality. I myself are normally a medium or a large, so. But yeah, you've got a massive large pocket here in the front. Under here. Let's see if you've got badges, you can stick it on that, so that's pretty cool. You've got two pockets here, nice zip. And this is the brand again, Snugpak. They also do lots of other products like tents. They also do sleeping bags, and yeah, they're all the outdoor stuff. So if you're like hiking or outdoors or any outdoor or lifestyle, I've got a whole lot of range. Again, check out the link below to get to the official store. Yeah, it's quite a lot, so yeah, I reckon a medium probably would have fitted me as well, actually. Yeah, and then you've got, so you flip this up here. This is it. It's a very large pocket. And inside we found there's a nice waterproof tactical soft, so it's pretty cool. Put some items in here, or fit this coat in it. one big pocket. They could easily put a camera in there. Yeah, just a small kind of iPad in there, probably fit in there. Cool thing here to put your pouch, badges. Obviously, if it gets too hot, you've got the little side pot there, so they don't get too hot. In front of it, you've got a zip, which is cool. So yeah, that's definitely that. And then you've got the other pocket at the side, which yeah, that's the same pocket. It's just like one big one. So that's to keep your hands warm and put some stuff in it. Adjuster here. So if you want to get it a bit more inwards, you can. So that'll help keep a bit more heat in. If you think it's coming up the side, you can do that. If you need to expand it. Again, this is the Snugpak. This is the black tactical version. Check out the link below for the correct item. And they have lots of different outdoor stuff. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to know even more feedback about this jacket or anything else, let us know. Thank you. Snugpak website below.